Hey guys, welcome to Sabrina's channel. Today I'm going to discuss with you hard water and how it affects your hair. Or my hair, I should say. Since the last time you heard from me, I probably had platinum blonde hair, and that was before we sold our last house. Our last house was city water. If you know how city water is, it is very heavily chlorinated, so there's no problem keeping platinum blonde hair. Bought a new home that does not have city water. It is on a well, and that right there is my culprit. So after buying and putting money into filtration systems and all these different things, there's still a lot of iron in our water. If you have hard water at home, you know what you're dealing with as far as minerals in the water and how it likes to stain things. It likes to turn things this brownish, orangey color. So after learning how to clean that orangey, brownish color off of other, your toilet, your shower, your sinks, and making sure those things don't stain, so I then started incorporating vinegar into breaking down the hardness of the water. That's what I was cleaning with. So then I decided to incorporate that vinegar into my hair regimen, right? So then I remembered when I was a kid how I used to use lemon to light my hair, which then got me thinking. So what I did was I then made a solution, and if you watch, I'm going to take you right through the solution that I make, along with how to apply it to your hair, and we'll meet back here when we're done.
Now you're going to start by placing a bowl in your sink. Make sure the bowl is big enough to fit your head in it. Now start squeezing a half of a lemon into the bowl. Make sure to squeeze all the juice out of the lemon. Now it's time to add some white distilled vinegar to the mixture. You're going to pour about 4 cups of the white distilled vinegar into the bowl. Then you're going to add a 12-ounce bottle of water. You're going to pour into the bowl. I usually use purified water for that, or spring water. Now, what I normally do is stick my hair in a bun because I feel that it's easier to put it into the bowl with the hair already together instead of you flipping all of your hair upside down and it's kind of everywhere. So once I do that, it just kind of plops into the bowl, getting the majority of it wet first, and then just make sure you mix it throughout the hair and saturate the hair completely. Now you're going to want to make sure your hair is completely saturated if you want the best results. Once you see your hair is completely saturated, you can put it in a hair net, or you can put it in a towel. Just make sure not to wrap it too tight to where you're drying out the hair. Now keep it wrapped up for 15 minutes, but again, don't dry it. Now 15 minutes later, it is time to rinse it out. Now, I don't really rinse it out, I just add a little bit of water to it so I can then add my shampoo and just start washing from there. I don't really rinse out my hair until I'm ready to rinse out the shampoo. Then I apply my conditioner, and then I am good to go blow dry my hair.
As you can see, my hair was really dark. The blondes were like dingy. They had a decent amount of like copper color to them. I pretty much thought I needed to go see my hairdresser because my hair was looking kind of dingy. So I did my solution today. This is what I came out with. You seen it earlier when I was washing it. It was all dark. It is now blonde again, as you can tell. It was nice and blonde, nice and fresh. Yep. So do my treatment every 3 weeks and you can keep your blonde looking this blonde as well. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, along with comment below if you use this method and how it worked for you. I would really love to hear from you. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye now.